What's up, $1 Million Base, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while, but we are back in full effect, y'all. Yes, but yeah, 2021, y'all. I got a lot of videos on the way. I have a lot of vlogs I've recorded, y'all. The problem has been my memory on my MacBook. So I got a MacBook, didn't know nothing about a MacBook, and of course all the videos I have, no ma'am, it basically didn't hold anything. So I just sent that out for repair, and I'm just using my PC. I have a Lenovo, however you pronounce that. I have that, yeah. So just a regular PC, and I'm just filming off of that. But I have so many videos. Just my videos from last year, y'all, from Christmas time. So I'm getting all of those out, y'all. So make sure y'all subscribe, hit that bell. Let me stop rambling, y'all. So you hit that bell to be notified when I upload. And if y'all ready for this video, stay tuned. Alright, loves, as you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be a review on some smell good perfumes, boo. And we are with Dossier. I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's Dossier. I will have the website link down below. I've been seeing everyone on YouTube review these perfumes, and I'm like, I want to try them because I think I paid like $60 or so for 3 bottles of perfume, boo, and they give you 3 samples. So I got me some 3 for when I travel. I bring my perfumes along, y'all. I can use, and they smell so good. So I was like, I ain't believe the hype at first, y'all. I'm like, they just paying them for using that. Their stuff don't smell like that. But baby, the one I got on today smells so good. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all all the deets. Everything is gonna be linked down below as well, so you can purchase also. But yeah, I love the little boxes they come in. One of them is missing, y'all, but I'm gonna let y'all know and let y'all see. I think they say the same thing. Yeah, they say the same thing on the boxes. So these are the boxes that they come in. Say Dossier on it as well. And then the inside is orange, and it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markup. So it's basically the designer smell without the price. And who don't want to save, honey? Save them coins. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a review on those. So they come in here. Show you how they come. Like this, great packaging. And then it also has the samples as well inside with it. So the first one I'm going to tell y'all is this the one that I love? No. I love all of them, y'all, but this the one I'm wearing right now. I'm going to start with this one. So this one is Floral Pink Pepper. The top notes, I'm going to put all of this down below, y'all, but I can tell you the middle notes are rose, jasmine, and pink pepper. Base notes is patchoulio, I can't pronounce it, blonde woods, and vanilla. So yeah, and that is that bottle here. So they come in good size, a good size bottle of perfume. So yeah, as you can see, and they smell so good, boo. So this one is the Floral Pink Pepper. I think I'm missing one, y'all. It'll be alright. And that's the one I'm missing, y'all. But that one is, which one was it? Let me go to the website. I'm pulling up the website, y'all, because I don't want to give y'all the wrong information. I'm missing one card. Just send out an email saying they may not be including samples anymore, y'all, but I looked up and got me one. So they say you may get them every now and then, but that's what they're going to be stopping. So I know they do not. They could have made me buy this one. This one is the Baccarat Rouge, baby. I got to get that. So yes, I'm gonna have to try that one. Cause I'm not paying no $300 on a perfume, boom. This one is $49, so I would definitely be getting that one, boom. I added this to my cart because I'm gonna check out later. I found it, y'all, found it. So that one was $29. So each one of these perfumes, since I got 3, was $29, y'all. So yeah. And I think I had like 20% off as well. So I only paid like $60 some for them. But yeah, this one is inspired, the Floral Pink Pepper is inspired by Miss Dior. So Dior's Miss Dior, the 2017 version, and it smells so good, y'all. Sorry for that, but I had to find it so for y'all. And the other two I have them right here. I'm just missing that one, but yes, it smells so good, y'all. And I say, what scent does it really? And I love floral scents as well. It smells real sweet, but it smells so good, y'all. My husband was just telling me I smell. I only sprayed it on my wrist, y'all. He was like, I smell so good, like when we was outside, y'all. So it's like you don't need a whole lot as well. So yeah, my next one we're gonna do is the Floriano Coconut. So it does have coconut in it as well. This one is inspired by Tom Ford Soleil Blanca, and I definitely wanted that one as well. So yeah, that's this one. Nice size as well, and it smells so good. The base notes are cedarwood, amber, benzoin, and coconut, but it smells so good, y'all. You definitely have to try this out. They said their mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. So yeah, definitely check them out, y'all. And then my last one is the Oriental Oakmoss, and that one is inspired by Chanel's Coco Mademoiselle. So yeah, and it's so funny, y'all, because I had all of these in my cart at Sephora. I was about to get these fragrances, but I was like, baby, when I could save some coins, I'm gonna go with Dossier. So I got all three of them, boo, and I probably would have spent like almost $300 just buying them out of the store. So yeah, and I only paid $60 for 3 bottles, so you can't beat that, and I still smell like the real thing. So yeah, and then they also sent me, let me give y'all these. These are the little samples that you get here. So you get these little bottles here, and I'm just gonna throw them in my purse, boo, for later. But yeah, and these are the little cards that they give you with all the little information on them, and they tell you thank you and how it works, inspired by the notes in them and the concentration. So yeah, they did good by matching these fragrances up as well, y'all. That's something that they definitely could have, like the stores around here, like if you want to like come and get something made, that's definitely something. But hey, you already got it, you can just order it offline. They already made it for you. But yeah, I just want to come here and show y'all these bottles of fragrances from Dossier that I am so loving. If y'all want to see more of these videos, definitely let me know. View, rate, and subscribe, and until next time, loves, stay beautiful. Bye, y'all.